Hi, I'm Kurt Landman with Polyvance, and I'm happy to introduce our new nitrogen plastic welder, the 6085C Nitrofuser welding system. This is our 5th generation welder, and it's got some new upgrades I wanted to introduce you to. First of all, of course, it's got the automatic switch between air and nitrogen, so that when you pick up the torch, you'll see that the light goes from air to nitrogen automatically. So when I'm actually using the welder, I'm on nitrogen, and when I put it back, when I'm done welding, it automatically switches back to air to conserve my bottled nitrogen. We weld with nitrogen to get the strongest weld possible. Because again, when you weld with air, the oxygen in there will actually contaminate the weld and make the weld less strong than it can be. So when we weld with nitrogen, we're getting the strongest weld possible. We have the automatic switch, as I said. There's also an analog flow meter that shows you exactly how much flow is going through your tip. That allows you fine control with our precision regulators. These regulators can adjust the flow very finely between 0 and 10 psi. We also have a new digital control system. The digital control system, as you see here, is very precise temperature control for the nitrogen side and the airless side. You can control that up and down. For polypropylene, we recommend a setting of 52 for the nitrogen welder side. And of course, it's got the pressure safety switch, so in case the flow goes too low or somebody accidentally pulls your air out of the welder, it'll automatically shut off the power to the heating element, saving your heating element from burning out. And of course, it's got the integrated airless plastic welder. This allows you to weld the thermoset urethanes or the yellow plastic. Now let's take a look at a few things that the nitrogen welder can do to help your shop.
There are a couple of major benefits of doing plastic repairs. More profit than replacement and a faster cycle time. Some DRPs grade shops based on the repair-replace percentage, and the nitrogen welder will help improve your shop's score here too. Repairing non-structural plastics is the easiest way to improve overall shop gross profit. There are many types of plastics that can be repaired in addition to bumper covers. Nitrogen plastic welding allows you to repair the tiny tabs and detail areas that are almost impossible to repair with two-part adhesives. Once you learn how to use the welder, you will discover many more opportunities to repair plastics that you never considered before. Call 800-633-3047 or email kurt@polyvance.com to request a free, no-obligation demonstration of the Nitrofuser welder in your shop.
Look to Polyvance for all of your plastic repair product and training needs. We offer I-CAR Industry Training Alliance courses as well as other hands-on classes in addition to the video resources you can find on our website and on our YouTube channel.